The art of machines, shaping the world around us. From the sleekest sports cars to the most intricate robots, mechanical engineering is the driving force behind countless innovations. This fascinating field combines creativity, analysis, and problem-solving to design, build, and improve mechanical systems. Mechanical engineers are the architects of motion, harnessing the principles of physics and materials science to create the machines that power our world. Think about the everyday objects that surround you. Cars, airplanes, refrigerators, and even your smartphone wouldn't exist without the ingenuity of mechanical engineers. These skilled professionals transform ideas into tangible realities, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and shaping the future of technology. The impact of mechanical engineering is far-reaching, touching upon nearly every aspect of modern life. As we venture further into the 21st century, the demand for skilled mechanical engineers continues to grow, making it an exciting and rewarding field for aspiring innovators. Delving into specialties, robotics, mechatronics, and beyond. Mechanical engineering offers a wide array of specializations, allowing you to tailor your career path to your passions. Robotics is a rapidly evolving field that combines mechanical engineering principles with computer science and electronics. Robotics engineers create intelligent machines capable of performing complex tasks, from assisting in surgeries to exploring distant planets. Mechatronics is another exciting specialization that blends mechanics, electronics, and computer control systems. This interdisciplinary field is driving the development of smart devices, automated systems, and advanced manufacturing technologies. Imagine designing self-driving cars, or creating prosthetic limbs with a natural range of motion. These are just a few examples of the groundbreaking work being done in mechatronics. Beyond these popular areas, mechanical engineers can specialize in fields like aerospace engineering, automotive engineering, energy engineering, and more. The possibilities within mechanical engineering are vast and constantly expanding, offering a wealth of opportunities for those with a passion for innovation.
The demand for skilled mechanical engineers remains consistently high worldwide. As industries evolve and new technologies emerge, the need for professionals who can design, build, and maintain complex systems continues to grow. Countries with strong manufacturing sectors, such as the United States, Germany, Japan, and China, offer abundant opportunities for mechanical engineers. India, with its rapidly growing economy and ambitious manufacturing goals, presents a particularly promising landscape for mechanical engineers. The Make in India initiative aims to transform the nation into a global manufacturing hub, creating a surge in demand for skilled engineers across various sectors. From automotive and aerospace to energy and infrastructure, the Indian job market offers diverse and rewarding career paths for talented mechanical engineers.
Section 4, Your Path to Becoming a Mechanical Engineer. Course Structure and Duration. A bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, whether it's a B.Tech or B.E., is the most common pathway to enter this exciting field. These programs typically span 4 years and provide a comprehensive understanding of fundamental engineering principles, materials science, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and manufacturing processes. Students also gain hands-on experience through laboratory work, projects, and internships. The curriculum often includes core subjects like engineering mechanics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, materials science, manufacturing processes, machine design. In the final year, students typically undertake a major project that allows them to apply their knowledge and skills to solve a real-world engineering problem. This project serves as a valuable stepping stone into the professional world, showcasing their abilities to potential employers.
Section 5. Opening doors to opportunity, eligibility, and entrance exams. To be eligible for a bachelor's program in mechanical engineering in India, you typically need to have completed your higher secondary education, that's 10+2, with physics, chemistry, and mathematics as core subjects. Admission to most reputable engineering colleges is based on performance in national-level entrance exams. Some of the most prominent entrance exams for mechanical engineering in India include Joint Entrance Examination, JE Main, G Advanced, Birla Institute of Technology and Science Admission Test, BITSAT, SRM Joint Engineering Entrance Examination, SRMJE, Vellore Institute of Technology Engineering Entrance Examination, VITE. These exams assess your understanding of physics, chemistry, and mathematics, along with your analytical and problem-solving skills. Preparing thoroughly for these exams is crucial for securing admission to your desired engineering college.
Section 6. Top-tier institutions, launching your mechanical engineering journey in India. India is home to numerous prestigious institutions renowned for their exceptional mechanical engineering programs. These colleges provide a stimulating learning environment, world-class faculty, and state-of-the-art facilities to nurture the next generation of mechanical engineers. Some of the top-ranked mechanical engineering colleges in India include Bhatta, Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, National Institutes of Technology, NITs, Birla Institute of Technology and Science, BITs, Pilani, Delhi Technological University, DTU, Anna University, Chennai. Choosing the right college is a significant decision, and it's essential to research thoroughly and consider factors like faculty expertise, research opportunities, industry connections, and campus culture. By selecting a reputable institution, you can set yourself on a path to a successful and fulfilling career in the dynamic world of mechanical engineering.